In the modern world, reliable equipment is needed for the production of original furniture, allowing you to produce all the necessary details for the creation of furniture masterpieces and unique decor elements quickly and efficiently. The company Vector manufactures such equipment. Being a market leader since 2019, to date the company offers more than 100 models of numerically controlled machinery, alongside supplying equipment all over the world. The company holds several patents for processing techniques for wood, metal, and stone. Every year, the company Vector participates in various international specialized exhibitions, where it demonstrates the most popular and functional models of numerically controlled machines to the visitors. Good afternoon, Sergei Sergeyevich. How old is your company? Our company is over 7 years old. Tell me please, I've heard a statement somewhere that you are the leader in the production of numerically controlled machines. In fact, we are. Really? We are truly #1 in the Ukrainian market for the production of numerically controlled machinery. Tell us please, are you presenting any novelties, new technologies at the exhibition? What do you have at the exhibition today? We have no new products, no new technologies at the exhibition. These are our serial products. These are two machines. One is a Vector 2515F milling machine with an Italian spindle. The other is a 200T lathe. And please tell me, do they differ from similar ones? In fact, all the uniqueness is in our frame. We give a 10-year warranty on our frame. This is the right selection of all components. We practically do not use Chinese components. We use Japanese, Taiwanese, and Italian ones. You are mentioning Italian engines. Do they differ from competitors? An Italian engine is distinguished by the use of ceramic bearings, better assembly, and durability of work. I see. I wish you success at the exhibition and in general good customers. Thank you. What is the reason for such great popularity of computerized and numerically controlled machines from the company Vector? Low electric power consumption. The power consumption is only within 1 kilowatt to 10 kilowatts. Reliability. Only branded components of time-tested brands are used in the machinery. Easy to operate. Even a beginner can handle it. High productivity. CNC machines from Vector are one of the most productive in their segment. Durability of work. The service life of a machine is more than 10 years. Return on investment. In some niches, payback period of machines is from 1 to 8 months. Cost effectiveness. The best price-quality ratio in Ukraine. The warranty is provided from 18 months to 36 months, depending on the model. The Vector company offers a full range of service, delivery, installation, and training of personnel in the operation of CNC machines. Are you looking for the best solutions for modern furniture production? The Vector company is the right vector for your company's development. The Vector company stands for accuracy, quality, service. Choose the best.